Hey there, folks. Matt here from Quality Heating in Dalkeith, Ontario. Today we had the privilege of tackling a full-service job, cleaning a home's resident duct system, HRV system, and dryer vent system. Now, just because you're in a smaller town doesn't mean you can't get top-notch service. At Quality Heating in Cornwall, we go the extra mile, serving Dalkeith and the surrounding areas without breaking the bank. We chose the name Quality Heating because, well, quality is what we're all about. Whether it's getting your ducts squeaky clean or installing a brand new furnace, HRV, gas lines, BBQ lines, or a gas stove, we've got you covered. So don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. And hey, if you could show us some love by liking our Facebook page, that would mean the world to us. Thanks for tuning in.